The quick video of how to potentially snipe NFTs early and how I've been able to snipe some. So I don't know any bots or programs you can use to snipe them quicker. But from my experience, it's mostly the hardware, the browser, and those sort of things. The Wi-Fi, I'm not exactly sure if it matters, but definitely the hardware you use. So the computer, make sure your computer is very good, and the browser that you use, make sure it's like pretty fast. So these are just some browsers. My favorite one is, of course, the Microsoft Edge browser. The best one, of course. And there's also Opera. Google Chrome is just use Microsoft Edge, and there's also Vivaldi and the Brave browser. So we're going to look in for a browser. You just want to see if it refreshes very fast. So if it refreshes really fast, this is important for getting in early on some stuff. So some of the stuff that I got in early was the Wanaka land. It was very quick. I was able to get in on that. So with the browser, you just want to see like which one refreshes like decently fast. So for me, it was the Brave one's been pretty fast. So you can see it's really fast refresh time. We're gonna try the same thing for the Microsoft one. It's a little bit slower. They're like pretty comparable, but in a launch, you may need to refresh fast. So the Brave one's faster, then you might consider using this one. So now I'm going to talk about the hardware aspect. So the hardware is that if you have a slow computer and you're not willing to upgrade, I suggest that you perhaps download a Linux version. You can get like, I've used Linux Mint before, but you can use this one or some lower one. These ones, they don't look as like pretty as like some nicer ones, some nicer versions of Linux, but it's really fast. So if you want a fast one, you can get like someone wants to Linux Mint, or if you like, because it runs Ubuntu, so you don't like the Ubuntu and you like the Manjaro, those sort of things, or maybe you never used Linux before. If you never used Linux, the Linux Mint's pretty fast for your computer. You can just figure out how to install it into like a USB, plug it in, and you'll be good to go, or else upgrade your hardware. So the reason why you don't upgrade your hardware is because actually, from what I noticed at least, is that it affects your metamask loading speed. So for instance, I'm on social, so I'll check the networks. So if you have a faster computer, it should load faster, like that, and that sort of thing. Yes, you can see it loads a little bit faster and stuff like that. And yeah, the Linux should be faster. If you're not willing to upgrade your hardware, then yeah, try Linux. It's a pretty good one. Also for Linux, I would like the KDE Plasma. Maybe some of you have seen some, but it does have environments not the best if you don't have the best hardware. So like Linux Mint's pretty good, and yeah. So I think that's a bit for today. I don't know how you snipe stuff on Solana exactly, because the only thing I know to do is you just click on the mint button for a new NFT launch, and you hope you get it. So I have no clue how to do those ones. The rest of today's video is mostly sniping using the metamask. So that was mostly about. It's just like a few tips if you need some help to get on some of these launches faster, things like that. So definitely hardware and the browser matter. I'm not sure about Wi-Fi, and I have no clue how to snipe Solana launches. So yeah, that's this video, and thanks for watching.